Hello, friends. So, recently I got an opportunity to watch the series Chernobyl. Now, as we know, this is based on a true story, the nuclear disaster which happened in 1986 in Ukraine. Now, these facts are already in place, and we understand how things unfolded to this disaster and the aftermath, what happened, uh, the evacuation, and everything. But the series very nicely depicts the war between the bureaucratic regime of that time in the USSR and the scientific community on the other side, or we can say the freedom, the democratic character on the other side. So there's a question, a war between the two uh, forces, the bureaucratic red tapeism uh, and the idea to hide things and uh, keep a positive position, hide information from the people of the Soviet Union, of the disaster and the extent of the disaster without worrying about the cost of lives and the impact on the neighboring countries as well. Also, suppressing the questions being raised by the scientific community. And on the other side, we have the scientific community who is seeking a democratic space to raise their opinion, to come up and to showcase the extent of the magnitude of this disaster. So here, this war is in a way shown in that series, and which is definitely a true story. Now, this is something which clearly shows. Now, this is a big event which happened, but that was the character of the USSR at that time. That is clearly shown in that, and even the chief of USSR later on, after the disintegration, admitted that this event, this disaster, was one of the reason for the breaking of Soviet Union. So overall, we see the idea is it's a learning for each and every organization or country or any set of uh, common activity happening by a united front. That democratic character is very important and it has to be preserved, and institutions needs to be independent, be it the scientific community, the other democratic institutions, the civil society, and every so that should empower people rather than concentrating all the power with the government. So that idea is something which comes out of this as a learning as well, and we all are having these nuclear facilities in most of the countries, including India, and we need to be careful on the kind of developments happening, and the scientific community needs to be given that due space to question the developments at these facilities. And even beyond this example, in other arenas as well, democracy is the solution, freedom of speech and expression is the solution. Uh, Similar issues are rising in Asian economies. China is one with the COVID suppressions or the Uyghur movement suppressions in China. We see how democracy is being killed and institutions are being paralyzed, and these things lead to major disasters in the coming decades. And one we have seen in the 20th century, the breaking of USSR. India needs to be conscious of this. America needs to be conscious of this. The Western world needs to be conscious of this to safeguard the global institutions, the national institutions, and to give due respect to the leaders of that field to make decisions. Thank you.